Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this computer home desk with drawers. It is a 47-inch. It's got a nice sturdy table mount and it's modern for PCs and Macs. Alright, so right here we got our computer desk. I got the black one. They do offer it in several different colors as well as different sizes. So this is a nice sturdy table. It is a 47 by 2 inch long by 23.6 inch wide by 29.5 inches high. It's got a 2-tier drawer, spacious storage space for organizing, practical design, which keep your space nice and tidy. So this one here has the little grayish white drawers. And they're really long, so you'll have enough room. So the size of this is 22 by 4 by 9.4 by 5.5 inches high. You do get 2 of them, and you do get a nice little drawer here at the bottom that you could put any other thing in here. So you can see that this table is super nice. It is super easy to put together. I highly recommend this desk if you're looking for a nice computer desk that doesn't take too much room and is not super heavy. I did purchase this one for my son's computer and for his schoolwork, so you can see that it is super nice. It is lightweight. It is super easy to put together.